AX. What's this thing?
It's very bloody.
The hell am I? This is
Also,
a weird looking night sky. Sure. What's that? Deciphered the sacred text. If I run, does it give away where I am?
I don't know.
Little thing. I like how creepy this is.
You do not like or you do like?
I don't like how creepy it is. Make more noise and the creature can hear you. It's creepy as hell. You're a rattlesnake. Oh, jeez! Come on, man. Ah, I didn't mean to do that. I see. Jeez, man. Giving me a heart attack.
Now you know
Look,
how
I turned
feel.
off my flashlight too. I just spammed buttons. I'll have to break it.
Broken the light prism?
Heck, there's a light prism.
No idea, but you broke it.
Yeah.
See me?
Giving me a heart attack out here.
Oh crap, that's not what I wanted to do.
Run for your life. That's literally what it says.
It's not the button I meant to press.
Scared the crap out of me. Stop that.
That's some Cthulhu art. My abilities recharge very slowly.
Statues missing in all.
Ah, hey, you
That
found
other
one.
is missing alive, but they don't seem to be broken.
Moogly.
No. I don't want your Girl Scout cookies. I ain't buying no cookies.
Are you sure? The peppermint patty.
What the heck is a peppermint patty?
What? Do you know nothing about Girl Scout cookies?
What the heck is a peppermint patty?
Is that a flashbang? Why is there a
What?
flashbang? You can find a flashbang.
You can find a flashback.
Yeah.
I found that I'd probably end up blinding myself.
Yes.
Good old radio. You just need to tune it to these frequencies here, and you'll know what to do.
Man. Be as hell. You dare sneak up on me.
What?
Stop that.
I'm not doing anything.
Shh. So let's see. Silence, mortal. The heck is this? Statue? What do I even use this for?
Stay together. Stay alive.
Stay together, stay alive. I'm alone.
I don't even know where I am, and I'm the monster.
What year is it? I'm a Harrison Ford wannabe. The heck is this?
This place feels fake. Other gods, army settlements. But the structures really feel old.
Jeez, man. Why did I do that? No, what did I do? The heck is this? I didn't mean to hit that button. Get out of here. Stop that. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh. So ugly. Why you got 4 chins? No one needs that many chins. I have to go back over here.
Stop that.
Oh. You go away. You mean yeah, here with that.
Whoa.
BS.
I don't even know where I am.
Congrats, that's Cthulhu. Hey Cthulhu, how's it going, man? Keep me safe from the demons, right? Cool. I know I could throw a light stick. You mentioned that every 5 seconds.
It does, though.
It's like, you could throw a light stick. Really?
I hate it when it's like, you can run, but he's gonna find you. Like, well, are you telling me run because he found me, or so he can?
Huh? Like, what the heck?
Uh-oh.
But feeling safe by calling a greater power. Little they knew they were calling a greater power indeed.
Doesn't help that the wind occasionally sounds like screaming. Jeez, man! Jeez! Get out of here with that! Oh. Stop that!
There we
Stop
go.
that! Am I dead? Am I dead?
Yeah. You only had one more clue left to find. Oh wait, no, you have a
I'm
health
still
bar.
alive.
Darn it. I think if you get caught 3 times, then you're it. Then you're done. Wait, what?
Human, are they? They
Find the position of the earth. Okay. Oh, jeez, man! Come on! Next time you're caught by the creature, you will die. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. Jeez, man.
Ooh.
Man, I came here thinking they would be like pirates or something. But F this. I did not sign up for this. Get out of here.
Nah,
Ain't nobody wants you.
Come here.
Nobody wants you.
Come here.
Ain't nobody wants you. No! You're so fast. Ah.